Hi everyone, I'm Jerry here in the bottom of my shower to show you this that I was just sent, which is a mold stain remover. Thank you guys for sending this. This is a huge container of this gel, 7 ounces, which is a lot. This will do your bathroom multiple times or would work great for your washing machine if you've got a front load washer. That is something else that they really specialize in, is front load washer. But this works for caulk, grout, front load washer, dishwashers, anywhere that you've got mold or anything like that that's kind of growing in. Now it's got a seal on there. You can puncture that and look at that. That is some gel that is in there, and you don't really want to be getting this on your hands. You can wear gloves, obviously, if you're going to do that. Make sure you're in a ventilated area. This cap that they've got, though, once you've punctured that seal, goes on really nicely, and it already has a pre-cut tip. And then we're going to go ahead and apply this on here and just simply let this gel sit. Now this gel is going to sit on here. It says best it's going to work is letting this run for about 3 to 5 hours. This is going to sit on here. I mean, this is some thick stuff. But if this works, I have been spraying bleach on this, trying to get rid of this nasty, moldy looking caulk in the bottom of my shower for I can't tell you how long. And I'm super excited to see if this actually works. If it does, it's going to have some great endorsement for me. But this is fantastic. I'm going to put that on there, let it layer on there real thick, and then we're going to come back here in a few hours and check it out. Okay guys, I have let this sit for only 1 hour. It says to let it sit for 3 to 5 hours, and my mind is blown. Everything that was on there that the bleach didn't take care of, this thing has cleared it all completely out, looking great. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit a little bit longer, but you just basically rinse this off when you're done, and you're good to go. It's almost like a set it and forget it. Fantastic product. Thank you guys again for sending it.